One of the biggest fears beginners have is repetition. They worry that if they do a scene more than once, it will sound fake. They believe truth only happens the first time. That belief causes problems because acting is repetition. Auditions repeat, rehearsals repeat, takes repeat. Professional actors are expected to deliver again and again. So how do they do it without sounding robotic? They don't repeat emotion. They repeat intention. Beginners often rehearse line readings. They decide exactly how a line should sound. Then they try to recreate that sound every time. That's what makes performances feel stiff. Actors don't lock into delivery. They lock into purpose. What am I trying to get? Who am I trying to affect? Why does this matter? Those things can stay consistent even when delivery changes. This is why actors break scenes into objectives and tactics. The objective stays the same. The tactic can change. That creates variation. Repetition becomes exploration, not imitation. Another beginner mistake is judging repetition too early. They think if it feels familiar, it must be fake. But familiarity is not the enemy. Forcing is. When you stay connected to the other person, repetition stays alive because you're responding, not replaying. Actors also trust structure. They know where the scene builds. They know where it turns. That structure holds the performance together. So they don't panic if a moment feels different. They know the scene will land.